Superheroes have a stressful life along with the daily life problem of a normal person. They have the added issues of having to save the world all the time. Their every waking moment is filled with a very hard thought. With great powers comes great responsibility. And while most superheroes handle power and responsibility reasonably well, there are some who go around the bend and become evil, even if just for a little while. Here are 5 of the DC Comics heroes who went to the villainous act. Number 5 is Hal Jordan. Once the greatest of the Green Lanterns, Hal Jordan became the destroyer of the Green Lantern Corps when the destruction of Cause City drove him mad. Jordan killed a number of lanterns and took their rings before decimating the Guardians and entering the central power battery on Oa, coming out and revealing himself as Parallax. With his new name and look, Hal Jordan set about recreating all of the reality to fit his vision in the event series Zero Hour. Parallax was stopped by his old friends, and it was later revealed that the one-time hero had actually been possessed by a demonic entity known as Parallax, which now powers the Yellow Lanterns. Number 4 is Superboy Prime. Superboy Prime didn't get much time to be a hero. Almost as soon as he discovered his powers, the teen from Earth Prime was pulled into the events of Crisis on Infinite Earths, where he saw his universe destroyed. After helping the heroes to stop the Anti-Monitor and save what was left of the multiverse, Superboy Prime joined the Earth 2 version of Superman and Lois Lane, along with Earth 3 Alexander Luthor in a pocket dimension. From the dimension, Superboy Prime watched as the newly formed universe became a place of pain and sadness, with the heroes seeming to fail time and again. Angered that he gave up his life so they could have theirs, Superboy Prime and Alexander Luthor set out to recreate the multiverse at the expense of all that existed. Number 3 is Sinestro. Once a member of Green Lantern Corps, Sinestro kept the peace in Sector 1417 and was considered the greatest Green Lantern of his time. It wasn't until Sinestro was given a new partner, Hal Jordan, that the truth was revealed to the Guardian. As Hal Jordan learned, Sinestro turned his sector into a dictatorship. Using the power ring, Sinestro kept track of every being in the sector, monitoring not only their communications but their heartbeats as well. No one living in Sector 1417 could move without Sinestro knowing about it. Because of his despotic nature, Sinestro was banished from the Green Lantern Corps, but he soon gained a yellow power ring and worked to destroy Hal Jordan and the Corps. Number 2 is Ozymandias. Known as the world's smartest man, Adrian Wade took on the guide of Ozymandias and became a vigilante in the New York. Adrian quickly became disillusioned by the superhero life and believed that running around in a costume and fighting crime wasn't enough. Using his genius intellect, Adrian built a powerful corporation that began to change the world. While Adrian's work helped the world in some areas, the threat of nuclear war between America and Russia continued to grow. Believing the only way he could bring peace to Earth was by giving the world an enemy from the stars, Adrian created a fake alien invasion that decimated Manhattan and killed millions. Number 1 is Azrael. Jean-Paul Valley didn't know it, but from his conception, he was genetically designed to become the next Azrael, the warrior of 500-year-old devout religious sect called the Order of Saint Dumas. Jean-Paul eventually escaped from his conditioning and became one of Batman's closest allies. He was so close to the Dark Knight that when Bruce Wayne suffered a broken back at the hands of Bane, he chose Jean-Paul to take his place. The mix of Jean-Paul's subconscious training by the Order of Saint Dumas and the stress of taking on the mantle of Bat pushed the young hero too far and led him down a dark path that only ended when the true Batman returned. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.